morning, TK. It's time for Math Circle today. I need you to go get your cards, okay? All right, once you have your card, I need you to help me count by tens up to 100. Let's see if you can do it. Ready? We start at 0 and then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Perfect. Now, in our deck, we have from 0 to 31 or 32, something like that, right? So of that, within that range, how many tens do we have? We have 10, 20, 30. So I want you to take out those numbers for me. First, I want you to take out the 0, and then move along and find your 10. See, it ends with the 0. And then find your 20. Also ends with a 0. And find your 30 for me, okay? That ends with the 0 too. We're going to put these 4 numbers aside right here. And then the rest of your deck, you're going to shuffle, okay? You're going to take a bunch from the bottom, put it at the top. Pull a bunch from the bottom, put it at the top. Pull a bunch from the middle, put it at the top. Okay, this is really, you're gonna need some fine motor skills here. So, all right, another way you can shuffle is if you divide your deck in half like this, and then you push it one side on top and in between the other, shake, 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 shake. And I want you to do that like 10 times, okay? So if you need to, stop the video and go ahead and shuffle your deck so that it's really, really, really well mixed up. All right? Okay. All right, mine is shuffled really well. So now I'm going to put this deck down here. Today we are working on sequencing our numbers. And when we sequence, we make a number line. When we look at the number line, the numbers on the left-hand side are smaller or of lesser value than the numbers on the right-hand side. So these are the numbers I have. What is the smallest one? Yeah, 0. 0 has no value, right? So 0 is going to go all the way over here. I'm gonna put my 0 down over here. I think you can see it in the video. And then, of these 3 numbers, which one is the greatest? Yeah, 30. So 30 is gonna go all the way over here. So I'm going to put my 30 right over here. And so if we count, we have 0 and then 10. So I'm gonna put 10 kind of right in the middle, right there, closer to 0, and then 20. So look it, I have, if I'm counting by tens, I've got 0, 10, 20, 30, right? So I decided to change sides and use the couch to lift up the card so you can see my numbers better, right? All right, but same thing. So on this side, my left-hand side will always be the lesser value numbers, and my right-hand side, the numbers get bigger. Okay, so if I'm counting by tens, I've got 0, 10, 20, 30. Now, I'm going to pick my number, pick the next number, and that's 12. So I'm going to think, where would 12 be? Would 12 be between 0 and 10, or 10 and 20, or 20 and 30? It will be between 10 and 20, right? Is it closer to 10 or closer to 20? It's closer to 10. So I'm going to put it somewhere closer to 10 like that. All right, so here we go. What number? 6. Where does it belong? Between 0 and 10. Is 6 closer to 10 or is it closer to 0? What do you think? If I say 6, I only have to go 7, 8, 9, 10, right? I only have to go 4 more to get to 10. But if I go backwards from 6, I have to go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So that's a lot further. So 6 is closer to 10. I'm going to put it like right about there. Okay. 18. 18 would be closer to 20. All right. There we go. And 15, where should 15 be? Yeah, 15 is going to be between 12 and 18. Okay, somewhere like this, right? I might need to move my numbers a little bit further away from each other there. Okay, how about 16? 15, 16. So 15, 16. It's gonna go there, okay? 13, oh, I didn't shuffle too well, did I? 13, 13, so we'll count 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 comes after 12. So right there. 25, now where would 25 be? Would it be between 0 and 10? 10 and 20, and 20 or 30 and 30? Yeah, and it's 25, it's right in the middle, isn't it? So we will put it right in the middle here between 20 and 30. So how about, I have 28. 28, if you count up, 28, 29, 30. That's really close to 30, isn't it? So we'll put it right over here. Okay. What number is that? Yep, it's 9. Where should 9 be? Close to 10. On this side of 10 or this side of 10? In front of 10. That's right. 9, 10. Oh, you know that number, 1. We don't even have to think about it. It comes right over here next to 0. What's that? 14. A 1 and a 4 makes 14. So where should I put it? I have 10, 12, 13, 14. 14 is going to go right there between 13 and 15. Okay. I have the number 2. 1, 2. What number is that? 7. What comes after 7? What goes before 7? 6. Okay, and we have a 6 right there. So I am going to put my 7 right there. What number is this? 26. 26 goes after 25. There we go. Now I have a 1 and a 7 is 17. Where does that go? Right between 16 and 18. You got it. Let's move 18 over a little bit. Give 17 some room. Okay. What's that? A 2 and a 9. 29. 29 is going to go all the way over here because it comes after 28. Okay. What do I have now? 27. Where does 27 go? Right here. Between 26 and 28. Let's move 25 over just a little bit. Right there. Okay. And I have 31. A 3 and a 1. So where does that go? Yeah, on the other side of 30 because 31 is 1 more than 30, isn't it? Let's put it right there. What number is that? 3. 3 is a big or small number? It's a small number. So let's put it right over here next to 2. And I have 24. 24 goes before 25, after 20. So let's put it right there. Okay. What number do we have? 4. 4 comes after 3. And now I have 22. Where should 22 be? Yep, between 20 and 24, huh? So somewhere right there, right? Okay. I have 23. Oh, we just put 22 down and 23 comes after 22. So it goes right there. Might not have enough room here. Okay. What do I have? 19, a 1 and a 9, 19. 19, if you count, 19, 20. So 19 goes before 20. So we'll have to find a space for it right here. There we go. Okay. Then I have 1 and a 1 is 11. 11 comes after 10. So 10, 11, 12. Okay. We can move these over just a little. Give those guys over there a little bit more room. Okay. I have, what number is that? 8. 8 goes between 7 and 9. So right there. I have 5. 5 goes between 6 and 7. And 21 goes between, yep, 20 and 22. It goes right after number 20. So now I have my number line. That's kind of squished together, but it's okay. Okay, all right. So now we can count it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Okay, so your challenge today is to make your number line, set a timer and see how fast you can complete a number line. But remember, after each time, I want you to shuffle really, really well. Make sure you take out your rounded numbers, the numbers that end in a 0. And those will be your place markers, okay? And then all these other numbers, make sure you shuffle them very, very well. Maybe I'd like to see if you can do it, if you can make your number line at least 3 times and see how fast you can do it, okay? All right, have fun making your number line. Bye.